Hey there, gearheads. Welcome back to Auto Insights. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of serpentine belts. Ever wondered what that long, winding belt in your car's engine does? Well, wonder no more. Let's get into it. Serpentine belt is a single, continuous belt used to drive multiple peripheral devices in an automotive engine, such as an alternator, power steering pump, water pump, air conditioning compressor, and air pump. It snakes around the pulleys inside the engine bay. If your serpentine belt is failing, it may cause failure to start the engine, squeaky sound from the engine bay, and gradual battery power loss. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim engine code scanner by clicking the link at the description below. Most serpentine belts last between 50,000 to 100,000 miles, but it depends on your car and driving conditions. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval. And remember, replacing the belt before it breaks can save you from costly repairs. And there you have it. The serpentine belt may be small, but it plays a huge role in keeping your car running smoothly. Make sure to keep an eye on its condition and replace it as needed. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more auto insights. Thanks for watching.